Good evening, everybody. Welcome to your Sunday night Posh premiere. I just wanted to do a little disclaimer and say I know you see a lot of stuff around here, but that's because I'm getting ready for my live sale on Wednesday. I posted about it last night, so if you've been keeping up with the page, you probably already saw it. So I hope to see many of you there. It's called the Crazy Eights sale. And it's going to be open to, of course, our group, but then I'm going to open it up to, more groups so that I can get more people in there. But it's going to be on the page of Maggie's Closet. I also posted a live sale from there last night. This platform allows different people to come on and sell their wares. And so I wanted you to, get familiar with how the live sale format looks. So I'm going to go right now and talk about the products that you'll find in my Posh closet. And then I'll come back at the end and talk to you again about a couple specials we got going on. Thanks for being here. First up, there's this skirt by Lifestyle Woman. This is a size 1X. I'm going to take the hanger off so I can show you. It has elastic in the waist. It's kind of a cotton fabric. The bottom of it has little ruffles, sort of. And as you see throughout the product, there's stitching that kind of makes it have sort of a swoop effect, if you will. This is available in the closet. It's by Lifestyle Woman, and it's a size 1X. I have another skirt. This one is by Vanessa Jeans. This is kind of a silky fabric. Again, this has elastic in the back of the waist. It's full, well, it's lined, but you can still see through it. So this thing is sheer. But it has pretty colors, and this is available in the Posh closet. Did I say the size? Yeah, it's size 18 to 20. Next up is another skirt. This one is by Cato Woman, and it's a 22/24W. Again, this has little, kind of like a handkerchief effect. Pretty colors. This one's lined too, but it's still sheer to me. Cato Woman. All right, I'm going to move over to Little Bitty Girls. This is a bodysuit by Gaze. It's a size extra small. It's an animal print. It has the a snap closure in the bottom there. It has low sleeves. This is like a soft silky fabric as well. It's stretchy, but it is an extra small. I would say that maybe a small could get into it, but maybe not more than that. This is an athletic top. See the size with a little decoration. This is silky too. This is by Zellos, and it's a size small, so you can show off those summer bodies. Pretty fuchsia color. That's the side. Next up is this top by Shein. It's a size 3XL. It has the straps, but it's also got the drop shoulder. This is sort of a jersey material. It has the crossover in the front as well. Depending on how endowed you are, you might need to wear like a little bralette or something with it, or a camisole. But I'm trying to show you things that will be good for the upcoming spring and summer weather. Shein size 3XL. This shirt is by Forever 21. It's a size 2X. And this is an off-the-shoulder shirt. This too is like a silky fabric. You see that? It's like flowers and birds on here. The back is plain. This one is available in the Poshmark closet. Now, for those of you who will be wearing your swimsuits this year, but you want a little cover up, I have the perfect thing for you. This cover up is by New Directions. It's a size extra large. It has the drawstring right here. The sleeves are got a little bit of bell to them. Not much, just a little. It's black. Here's the back. Again, this is by New Directions, and it's a size XL. For those of you who want a cute little dress for the spring, I got just the thing for you. This is by As You Wish, and this is a size extra large. This is a really stretchy cotton type fabric. This is, well, there's not much more to say about it. It has a little peephole right here. The back is kind of plain, and I think this will fall like just above the knees. This is cute. As You Wish, extra large. Another one made out of that same type fabric. This one is by Jolt. This is a size extra large. This too will fall like right above your knees. Now there's a cute little design at the back. It has kind of like the lace up so that you can make it tighter if you need to. Show off those curves. It also has buttons at the front. Short sleeves. By Jolt, size extra large. Available in the Posh closet. Now those that just need a little kick around pair of shorts, these are cute. These are by Liz Claiborne. They're a size medium. They do have an elastic waist. There's no drawstring or anything in them. It's kind of like a waffle weave fabric, I would say. Size medium, Liz Claiborne. I'm thinking these will come just above your knees too. They do have pockets, and they have this cute little drawstring with little metal tips. For those that are vacationing in the tropics, I have these bamboo traders pants. Now these have stretch in them too, not that much. But these are a size 12 bamboo traders. Let's see. I think they fall like right at the ankles. It's kind of a straight leg. This is the back. And they have a zipper on the side. Bamboo traders. Now for those that want to shake your shimmy a little bit, I have this skirt. This is by Marona. This is a size XXL. It's pleated all around. It has a flat front, but then it has elastic in the back. Let me see if there's any pockets. Oh, and it has pockets. It's really cute. It's kind of a satiny looking fabric with like a floral print. It's really cute. Marona, size XXL. Next up is these shorts. They're distressed. These are by Shein. They're a size 1XL. You can see the distress at the leg on the front, and then there's a little distress at the pockets. These are really cute. These are by Shein, available in the closet. Here's another pair of shorts that are cute. These are Doc Rinse shorts. These are by No Boundaries. They're a size 17. These are short shorts. They do have stretch in them. Here's the back. Size 17, No Boundaries. Next up is a pair of distressed shorts. These are by Marona. These are a size extra large. These too have pockets in them. They're like a thin denim fabric. They have elastic all the way around. They have 2 pockets. And they have the cute little drawstring and a button closure. By Marona. Here's another pair of Doc Rinse shorts. These are by Old Navy. They're called Flirt. I guess that's the style of them. These are a size 18. These also are short shorts. There's not that much stretch in them. That's how the front looks, and there's 2 pockets at the back. Old Navy Flirt. Next pair is one of my favorites. These are by Mosimo, which is a Target brand. These are a size 16. They have kind of like the color blocking going on. So they're mainly white with black trim. They're a size 16. They have the closure with the button and also with the little tabs there. They're cute. No pockets in the front. They have pockets in the back, but they're just for show. Mosimo, size 16. Next up is another pair of shorts. Now I'm going to call these medium rinse. These are by No Boundaries, size 15. But look at these. These are kind of, I call these Daisy Duke shorts because these look like they're short. But look at the eyelet pockets. Isn't that cute? So they have the frayed edges, but they do have that little eyelet poking out. They have 2 pockets in the back. They have like a little zipper and a button closure. No Boundaries, size 15. Next up is a little, I'm calling it a skirt. This item is by Exhilaration, and it's a size XXL. These are cute. So if you've seen the front, it looks like a skirt. It has this little crossover tie thing. But then in the back, you can see that they're actually shorts. I don't know what kind of design that is. It looks like some type of flower. And this is sort of a polyester fabric. A lot of stretch in here. And then you can adjust the tie right there. So if you need to make it a little bit tighter, you can do that. Size XXL, Exhilaration. And these coming up are an old standard. These are your Levi's, but they have a little bit of a twist to them. These are a size 14. Now these, I think, come just above your knees. These are like the vintage type Levi's. They do have stretch in them. They've got the button and zipper closure for you. They're size 14. They have sewn up cuffs. You can see that. Now, I don't know how it looks if you take it down. Oh, it looks okay. It's finished at the end. So if these are not as long as you want them to be, you can always undo that. Here's the back with your signature Levi's stamp on it. Again, these have some stretch in them. They're a size 14. Levi's. Next up is a bundle of shorts. Now, let me give you a little disclaimer about these, though. There's 4 pairs of shorts in here. These are by, let's see, Faded Glory, which I think is a Walmart brand. This first pair of shorts, they put you in the mind of like the paper sack waist. Except it's not really, because there's elastic in there. Not elastic, but there's something in there that keeps it stiff. Now, the button is missing. It's an easy fix. Anybody who knows how to sew on a button, should be no problem. So there's 4 pair of shorts in this bundle. That's the first pair. They do have faux pockets at the back. The next pair is a navy color. These are all, those are the only ones that have that paper bag styling. The rest are just a plain waistband. There's a navy. You have a khaki color right here. And then you have sort of a peach color. Again, these all have the flat waistband, 2 pockets in the front, zipper and button closure. But these are going to be sold as a bundle. So when you go to the page, you'll see that you can click on the picture to see a better picture of each one of them. But just know that it's a bundle and it's going to be sold that way. Next is a cute little fun romper. This is by Exhilaration as well. It's a size XXL. Let me take it off the hanger so you can see it. It's cute. It has a little waistband on it. It has this front little crochet pattern on the bodice, and it has adjustable straps. That's the back. So this is a romper by Exhilaration, size XXL. Next up, I got a couple of men's things I want to show you. Well, one man's thing. This is a Brooks Brothers shirt. If you know anything about fashion, Brooks Brothers is the one. Let me show you the sleeves. That's how the sleeves look. The back has a little pleat right here. This says that it's 100% cotton, but this is the nicest cotton I've seen in a while. This is a size 16.5 by Brooks Brothers. Let me see how the, yeah, so it just has the care tag right there in the front. But it's by Brooks Brothers. This is available in the closet. And then I have this little vintage Patriots jersey. Now this is a youth jersey. I looked it up to see if I could find anything about it, but it's Pro Mark by Martin. Now there's a Martin Sporting Goods that sells all types of jerseys, and I'm just wondering if this Martin started off with Pro Mark. But anyway, I thought this was nice for my Patriot fans. It's in good used condition. It's vintage, number 62. I also looked to see whose number 62 was, but I couldn't find any information on that. But it does have elastic in the sleeve. So I haven't really seen any like that. I don't know if that's how they used to do it back then or what. But it's a youth, and it's a size large/extra large. So I'm going to say like a 14 to 16 for a youth. That's if there's any Patriots fans out there. Just saying. Okay, that's all I have to show you for today. Well, actually, I do have two more things. These are some cute little fun skirts, I think. This one is by BB Dakota. Again, this is for the little girls. Well, I don't mean to be disparaging in any way. This is for people that wear a size 6. Now, it does have a lining. It's a mini skirt. And that's available on the page. I'm sorry, in the closet. And then this skirt is by Talbot's. It's a 6P. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought they were like little penguins, but I think not now. It has a side zipper. Let's see what else is in. This is lined as well. And this feels like kind of a linen type fabric with lines kind of going through it. Just a plain waistband. That's Talbot's 6P. All right, well, that's it for your Sunday Posh premiere. Don't forget, jump on the page and look and see the information about the sale that's coming up. Again, I called it the Crazy 8 sale, and that has to do with the fact that a lot of the items are going to be $8, but some of them are going to be items that have an 8 in them. For example, some men's pants that I have, they're not going to be $8. They'll be $18, but there's an 8 involved. Anybody who buys more than 5 items will get free shipping. And I'll talk about this again, during the live, but I just wanted to give you the heads up because you're bargain babes. So have a good evening, and I will see you on Wednesday night. Thank you for watching. Good night.